Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change username in Picsart. If you want to update your Picsart username to something cooler or more personal, this tutorial will help you out. First of all, launch Open Picsart application on your device and log in with your account credentials if needed. Once you're inside the home page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Inside your profile page, click the pencil icon at the top left corner, and then you will see this page where you can go ahead and edit your personal information. To change your username, tap on the username option and go ahead and write down a new username for yourself. Once done, you can then save the change and you have successfully changed your username on Picsart. By updating your Picsart username, you can refresh your online identity and make your profile more personal and recognizable. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.